Hello my team, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you an easy way to make your Plinth cover using a stretch fabric. Here I will be using a velour stretch fabric to cover my Plinth. For this project, you will need a sewing machine, you will need a scissors, a thread, a measurement meter to measure your fabric, the size of your fabric. Et voila. And of course you need your Plinth. Let's begin. Here I have my fabric and my scissors. The easy way, I will just place any corner of my fabric on top of the round Plinth. I make sure that the fabric cover the top of the Plinth, and I use my scissors to cut all around to form a circle. Here we have our top part cut already. It's a circle. Yeah. Now I have to cut the body of the Plinth. Always choose the stretch part of the fabric before cutting. Here I have my stretch part. I just cover the body of the Plinth with the fabric and try to make it a bit tight, not too much. This is what I have. This is what I have. When I get to this place, I can just cut a line, a short line with the scissors. That will help me to cut the full length. I did cut here. Now I have to measure the length of the Plinth. I don't need a meter. I don't need a meter to measure. I just do it with my brain. Use the other side of your fabric to measure the length. If your Plinth is 1 meter length, I advise you to cut the fabric about 1.2 meter. I'm sure you understand. Yeah, I have the length of my fabric here. Now I can cut it out. I'm done cutting my fabric. This is what I came up with. Let's try again. Yeah. And I add the top part. This is basically what you need to do to get your cover done. Okay, so you have 2 pieces of fabric to join together to get your cover done. Let's go to the sewing. Now this is the sewing part. So I will fold the fabric so the shining one will be inside. Yeah. And I also make sure that this is the stretch part that I'm stitching. It's a stretch part. All right. So let's stitch. Okay, I'm done to stitch the length of the fabric. We can see that we have a hole here. It's like a bag now. So what I have to do now is to join this round part to this fabric. Make sure the shining part or the right part of the fabric is always from the inside. So we look from the inside, not outside. Now I'm done with the sewing part. There is the final look. What we have to do now is to turn the right part of the fabric to bring the shining part out. Yay! So now let's put it on our plane. Okay, so here is the cover that I made. I will now fit it on the plinth. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy watching it. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to your family and friends. Thank you.